This video will show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on a Mitsubishi Lancer. This will be located under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do this, we're going to make our way over towards where the glove box is and underneath the dash. Now looking underneath this area, we can see a small panel. This panel is held in place with two plastic push clips. You can see one in the corner here and one over there. As far as these push clips, carefully start removing the center to unlock them. Once it's unlocked, you should be able to remove the entire thing. For this, I'm just using a trim tool. You can also use a screwdriver if necessary. Now we can take hold of that panel. We're going to start pulling it down. Along the forward side, there are two locating tabs, and these are pretty basic. We're just going to slide this straight rearward to pull it out of place. Now that we have that plastic panel out of the way, looking all the way along this area, we can see where our blower motor resistor is. We have an electrical connector. We're going to dislodge that first. After that, there's only two Phillips head screws holding this in place. Now, as far as this electrical connector, right along the side here where my thumb is, there's a locking tab. Just press that in. You should be able to dislodge this. A quick inspection for corrosion, of course. That looks good. We're going to set that wiring harness aside, and now it's time for our two Phillips head screws. You can see one here and one right over on the other side. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, we're going to clean and inspect the mounting surface. For this, we're just using a clean rag, no type of solvents. Just make sure there's no miscellaneous debris in this area. Now we can install our brand new blower motor resistor. When we go to install this in the vehicle, we want to make sure we have the area for the locking tab facing towards the passenger side. So it's going to be installed just like this, and this is where our tab is. There's one. Another screw in there. Double check, make sure that's secured in place. We'll continue on with our electrical connector. As you remember, for that electrical connector, the locking tab's facing towards the passenger side. Line it up, press it in. After an audible click, we'll just give it a tug, making sure everything's secured in place. Now it's time to install our lower protective panel. As you remember during the removal process, I mentioned there's two locating tabs on this. Now, if you were looking under the dash, you're going to find that you have two small circular ports for those to fit into. Let's start aligning our tabs with those ports. We'll bring this up so we can install our two push pins. Now up along this area here, we have our two push pins. I'm going to start it right through the cover port first. We'll align this and bring it up and through. Now once you do have it through, lock it in by pressing in the center. We'll just double check to make sure that's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you have to do is put the key in the on position, and you're going to test the blower motor on all speeds, confirming it functions as it should. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.